Riskonnect for Business full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are provided in the description for your convenience. Riskonnect is a comprehensive risk management software designed to help businesses identify, assess, and manage risks across their operations. Tailored for mid-sized to large enterprises, Riskonnect provides a robust platform for handling everything from enterprise risk management (ERM) to incident tracking and compliance monitoring. The platform offers a range of features that support proactive risk management, helping businesses reduce their exposure to both operational and strategic risks. One of the standout features of Riskonnect is its centralized risk dashboard, which gives businesses an overview of all their risk-related activities in one place. Users can easily track risk incidents, assess risk levels, and ensure compliance with internal policies and external regulations. The software also integrates seamlessly with other enterprise systems like ERP and CRM tools, ensuring that risk data is continuously updated and aligned with business operations. Additionally, Riskonnect's advanced reporting tools allow companies to generate customized risk reports, providing clear insights into their risk landscape, which aids in decision-making and strategy formulation. Riskonnect is especially effective for companies operating in industries where risk management is critical, such as finance, healthcare, manufacturing, and energy. Its user-friendly interface and powerful analytics engine make it accessible for both seasoned risk managers and those new to the field. The platform also supports collaborative risk assessments, allowing teams to work together in real time to identify and mitigate risks. On the downside, Riskonnect's extensive feature set may require a steep learning curve for new users, especially those without a background in risk management. Additionally, the platform's pricing structure can be on the higher end, making it less accessible for small businesses with limited budgets. Despite this, Riskonnect remains a top-tier solution for organizations that require a comprehensive, scalable risk management system. In conclusion, Riskonnect is an excellent choice for large enterprises and organizations that need a robust risk management platform. Its ability to integrate with other business systems, combined with powerful analytics and reporting, makes it a go-to solution for managing enterprise risk. However, smaller businesses or those with simpler needs may find it too complex or costly. Check the description for more details.